Hello everyone, this is the Railway Productions here with a unboxing video. Actually pronounced with wrong. We got a box, as you can see here. We got some rare stuff that you guys may have seen before or not known about. I saw this on eBay, but unfortunately I could not bid on it because I was coming in school, so my grandma bid on it, and here it is. We got the box. So let's see what we got. Be careful how I'm going to open this. Now, for some weird, so this came from St. Louis, but instead it went to Pennsylvania. Then came back down. I don't know why I did that. That was kind of odd. But you may never know with eBay sometimes. Now, the seller did have some more stuff, but for some weird reason, I guess he removed it. I guess it wasn't selling or something. Alright, we got our contents right here. Let's box somewhere else. Where should I open this up? Oh, it's not even. Wasn't even some tape on it. Odd. Usually there would be some tape. And here we are. We got some of the items. Now, these items are pretty rare, I should say. Let's start off with the Illinois Central Hopper. I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time, and I finally own one. In 2002. You can see the decal outline, which is pretty neat. And USA tags a little ripped. But yeah, pretty nice looking. So with the Missouri Pacific boxcar, which, interestingly, the magnets on this is like a gold or bronze color, which I find pretty interesting. I don't know if it was left in the sun or something, but I don't really know. But yeah, we got ourselves a Ralph the Eagles boxcar. Here's the box. And here's one of the more rare items. Now, there's, I think, only a few pictures of this on the internet. A Burlington Route caboose. So, yeah. Yeah, I got a Burlington Route caboose. Now, I will be taking this out of the box today. I know you guys might think, oh, you're going to ruin the value. Heck, I can pop it back in the box anytime that I want, so... yeah. Let's lower down the camera a bit. Shadow's kind of messing it up a little bit. But yeah, this is pretty nice. I love the orange on this. I'm trying to get a spot. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, nice bright orange. What does it say? Rosebud and Southern, where this was actually sold at. Don't know where that would be at. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to cut up the box. Don't exactly know how to do this. there we go. Trying to cut the box from the inside. Alright, so I got the box. Now I can easily just pick it up, and it still will be still in its original packaging. So yeah, it really doesn't really matter. Here it is, guys. I'm gonna try to push my phone out. Okay, there we go. That was just my camera stand popping, don't worry. And we got the boy himself. And does this look cool looking, though? Huh, interesting. Appears to be there's some paint chipping. Huh, maybe it was accidentally like that one came from the factory or something. I don't know. Actually, I don't think that is paint chip. Yeah, this is very nice looking, I have to say. Like, literally, I can, put the box like that, slide back in, and pick it up, stays in. So it really looks like I did not really open the box, besides if you lay it out like that. But if you mainly lay like that, but yeah, these guys, I don't know if I will, I will actually plan on opening these, I think. But yeah, this one's really rare here. And I really like it. It looks pretty nice. Try to get a thumbnail without my shadow in it. There we go. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.